Hey guys, so good morning, wherever you are, good afternoon, wherever how you're watching it or stuff like that. Anyways, I decided before I not have the energy or the mood to do it. TMI, I just started my period yesterday, so it's full on period right now, so I'm so bloated and so unhappy. So I decided to just get this video up for you guys and try to be a little bit productive. Um, so yes, sorry for that. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox for this June. It's a papaya. It's very pretty. So yeah, let's get started. Let's see what we have. I already looked, so I'm gonna try my reaction what I did. Alright, here's this summer doodad. And this is what I got. So this is down here is a QR code for the essentials or so on there for they're having a summer sale. So yeah, which is cool. Alright. This is some serious neon tissue paper. Very pretty. Alright, so let's see. Bumble Bumble. Alright, I got a Bumble Bumble. This is a invisible oil. It's a primer. Just like this. Good size too. This is to put, let's see, as a leave-in treatment for frizzy and also help with detangle. Helps with frizzy and detangle and all that good stuff. Hydrates. So yeah. Let's see. After doing your hair, on damp, you spray this on, and then just style it. So that's that. Ugh. Alright, next. Oh. Okay, I have to do my reaction for this. Okay, so I was like, oh, okay. This next product. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, cool packaging. The definition of books. Very sleek. Yeah. Oh, sorry. For the full size of this is $28. So it's nice. It's smooth too. It has a nice texture. This. So I'm like, oh, okay. So the perfume is book, and I'm like reading it and stuff and opening it. I like what I have. This is the first time I ever got a perfume. It's been a while. So I like sniffed it. I'm like, this can be a unisex perfume because it smells so manly. It smells so good and fresh. It's not too heavy. I even sprayed it in my room the first time. I'm like, it made me happy. Anyways, yeah. $120 for the full size of this. Yeah, maybe for my birthday or Christmas. Like one time thing. Anyways, it's really good. I love it. I wish it wasn't that expensive. Oh, it's so good. Alright, next is this rescue, let's see, it's a rescue butter, lemon, superfood, all in one, kind of like a moisturizer. It's like this big, I'm like, is sure this is a sample size, because it looks like a full size, kind of. I'm like, whoo. Anyways, this guy, It's a multi-use, so you can use it as a moisturizer or a treatment for extra dry areas on your body. Um, Full size is $19.90, which is a little pricey, but it really does what it says. I know, I'm just saying. Alright, next. Oh, my favorite product. I'm so happy I have it back. Is this Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. This is, I think, my second or third I got from Birchbox. So, I think I'm my second. Yeah, my second. I love this stuff to death. It's just this guy. I remember I talked about it, raved about it. Anyways, the full size is 24. I don't need to talk anymore about it. It does what it does. I can feel it working, sinking in. Alright, last product is a brand I always get sometimes. Like, I still have this one. So I haven't tried their products, but I know their product. Anyways, this is a matcha green tea lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. I had to really say that very carefully. Full size is $35. Let's see. That's about it. Oh, it's oily combination, normal, even sensitive skin. It says on the bottom right here. So yeah, it smells really, really good. I can smell the lemon and the green tea. It smells really good and refreshing. So yes, I'm definitely gonna use this for my face. Ooh, I'm gonna have like a really good pamper session. Like, Anyways, that's what I got for June. I really, really like it, and I'm very, very excited and happy. I'm just not happy that perfume is that expensive because it's so good. It's so good. I'll show you again what it looks like. So it's this. Well, probably see it backwards, and then the definition, and then that, and it's just pretty, pretty, pretty. Anyways, this is also great for Father's Day. So look this up and see if you can get a sample size, because full size, or your boyfriend or whatever, anybody. It's for anybody, but it's great for Father's Day coming up. So yes, my dad does not wear that stuff, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Ooh, yes, I'm gonna go because I'm gonna pick up lunch from work. It's a Father's Day lunch, so it'd be an early Father's Day for my dad. It'd be cool. Something nice. So yeah. Anyways, if you didn't know, I volunteer at a senior center, helping in the kitchen, from right now until July 6th. I'm very hesitant about that. I help with, just Meals on Wheels. We do that too, also. But hopefully, they say that we'll be opening, for people to eat. Don't know how they're gonna do it. I'm gonna try. And if I don't like it, then I can say no or work in the morning and come home. Cause I have mild anxiety, but it's been kicking in my butt. Anyways, that's that. So, yep. Okay, I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I feel better. And I love you guys, and be safe, have fun, keep cool. Yes, okay, bye.